Towns around Italy's Lake Como were hit by mudslides and floods on Tuesday, as firefighters had to carry out more than 60 rescues among the chaos. It is another example of extreme weather phenomena that an agricultural lobby said had intensified in recent years. Emergency services saved an elderly woman blocked in her home, as well as a disabled person and a carer isolated by a landslide. No deaths or injuries were reported. In Brieno, on the lake's western shore and the hardest-hit town, 50 residents were blocked in their home when a landslide caused a gas leak. Further south in Cernobbio, firefighters evacuated a condominium threatened with flooding. We are facing in Italy the consequences of climate change, with a trend toward tropicalization and the multiplication of extreme events, Calderetti said, citing more frequent, sudden and violent storms, short and intense rainfalls and rapid changes from sunny skies to storms. Calderetti estimated €14 billion of damage over the last decade to agriculture production, buildings and infrastructure because of climate change-provoked events like flooding and landslides.